Beethoven, look. Look, you see this? That's bad. That's no. That's bad. What you did, that was bad. That's a no. Do you understand? No. Bad. Eating mommy's receipts is very bad when there's $400 golf clubs on them. Do you understand? Do you understand, Beethoven? That's bad. Okay, come give me a hug. Come here. It's okay. I know you're sorry. What are you doing? No!